Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. And the following question was asked in GATE DA 2024 from Artificial Intelligence, and the topic name was Neural Network. And the question was asked for 2 mark. The question was MCQ in nature, and the question is as follows. Consider the two neural networks which is shown in figure 1 and figure 2. So here you can see this is a figure 1 and this is figure 2 with RELU activation function, RELU z equal to maximum of 0 comma z, where all z belongs to the real number. R denotes set of real numbers, right? The connection and their corresponding weights are shown in the figures. So these are the corresponding weights, right? So this one is a weight, two is a weight, three is a weight. These are the weights. Um the biases at every neuron is set to 0. So the biases they have turned out to be 0. And what values of P, Q are in figure 2, that is in figure 2, what is the value of P, Q and R uh, in the figure 2 are the two neuron equivalent to x1, x2, x3, so that they could be equivalent to x1, x2, x3. So it means that they are asking that if our figure 1 and figure 2 both are equal, if the particular this figure and this figure are both equal neural network, then what would be the value of P, Q and R? So in figure 1, if you can see here, here we are having some inputs, and thereafter we are having some hidden layer. So it is my hidden layer 1, it is our hidden layer 2, and it is our final output layer, right? Okay, so I can call it as a H1 hidden layer 1, it is H2 hidden layer 2. Whereas in figure 2, we are only having input layer and we are having output layer, but we do not have any hidden layer in between them, and direct weights are associated with it. Correct? Here, if you can see, two hidden layers are there, and if I am calling it H1, H2, then this is the picture, right? These are the inputs, this is the output, and these are the hidden layers. So in hidden layer 1, there are 3 neurons. If you can see, in hidden layer 1, there are 3 neurons. So I can call them, let's say, H11. I can call it as a H12. I can call it as a H13. That is neuron 11, neuron 12, neuron 13. And in hidden layer 2, I can call it as a H21 and I can call it as a H22. That is 2 neurons I am having in hidden layer 2. In hidden layer 2, 2 neurons. In hidden layer 1, 3 neurons are there, right? Now, if I'm going to here finally I am getting the output. So let's say the output is y hat. So I can write the y hat is nothing but 3 into h of 21 plus h of 22. 3 is a weight associated here. So I can write it like 3 into h21 plus h22. Now, if I want to write the equation for H21, then I can write it H21 is getting from where? I'm getting with weight 2 associated by H11 and weight 2 associated by H12 result and weight associated by H13 2. So each and every neuron is having some weight associated with them, and the result of that are giving me H21. That is, I can write them like 2 of H11 plus H12 plus H13. Correct? I can write them like that. Now, if I want to write H22 also, then H22 is also a result of 2 into H11, whatever result we are getting from 11, as well as 12, as well as 13. So if you will see, the H1 and H21 and H22 are basically equal. H21 and H22 are basically equal because both are result of same equation. So here I can write like H21 and 22 are equal. So I can write it like 3 into 2 into H of 21, or I can directly write them as 6 into H21. 6 into H21, right? that is nothing but the corresponding equation with respect to the y cap. So my y cap is nothing but 6 into h of 21. Okay, so just close it. Now, if I want to calculate h11, so h11 is a result of 1 is a weight which I am getting from x1, and 1 is a weight which I am getting from x2, but there is no role of x3 here. So h11 is 1 into x1 plus 1 into x2, that is x1 plus x2, that is h11. So let's say this is equation number 1. And what is h12? So h12, let's say h12 is a result of 1 into x1 plus 1 into x3, that is x1 plus x3. Let's say equation number 2. And h13 is a result of x1 plus x2 plus x3, one weight associated with them, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3. So let's say equation number 3. So what I need to do, let's substitute the equation number 1 h11, equation number 2 h12, and equation number 3 h13 in this equation h11, h12, h13. Let's say this is equation number A. Let's say this is equation number B. So in equation number A, I am substituting the value of h11, h12, and h13. So if I am going to do it, I am going to get the result like that. H21 equal to 2 into what is h11? So h11 is x1 plus x2. So x1 plus x2, what is h12? Using equation 2, x1 plus x3. And what is h22? Using equation number 3, x1 plus x2 plus x3. Correct? So at the end, what I am getting, 2 into x1, 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 that is 3 into x1 plus x2, and further x2 plus 2x2 plus x3 and x3, that is 2 into x3. So my equation of h21 becomes 6 into x1 plus 4 into x2 plus 4 into x3. So let's say this is my equation number C, h21. What I am going to do, I am going to substitute equation number C, that is the value of h21, in equation number B. So h21, what I am going to do, I am going to substitute the equation y cap equal to 6 into y cap equal to 6 into h of 21, right? So it would look like this. So it would look like this: y hat equal to 6 into 6 into x1 plus 4 into x2 plus 4 into x3, that is substituting equation C into equation B. So I am going to get 36x1 plus 24x2 plus 24x3, that is the equation of y hat. Now according to the question is for what values of P, for what values of PQR in figure 2 are the two neural networks equivalent when x1, x2, and x3 are positive. So what you are going to say that the result of this particular figure 2 is nothing but it would be P into x1 plus Q into x2 plus R into x3. And if both the neural network in the figure 1 and figure 2 are equal, then the y hat equation of it is y hat equation of figure number 1, then figure number 2 is P into x1 plus Q into x2 plus R into x3, that is y hat equation of figure number 2. Now according to the question, both neural network should be same. So if both neural network should be same, then the y hat equation, prediction equation also same. So we need to map the weight with them. P is going to map with the coefficient associated with x1, that is 36. Q will be mapped with the corresponding uh, coefficient associated with x2, and r will be mapped with corresponding coefficient associated with x3, because the equation of y hat should be same, prediction equation should be same if we are having a same neural network. Then p equal to 36, q equal to 24, and r equal to 24. So this is our correct answer. So if you are going to map the answers, then option A is the correct answer, which was asked for 2 marks. So I hope the question and its solution is very much clear to you. Please subscribe the video, like the video, subscribe the channel so that you can get more solutions like this. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.